Hi, I'm doing another unboxing video. This time I am unboxing the Halo Infinite Collector's Box from Walmart. It's the box. It has tech the Tech Deco water bottle with utility pouch, vinyl mini replica with display stand, messenger bag. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the first item, the water bottle in a utility pouch. Basic stuff. Okay, let's see what's inside. And I guess this one is a messenger bag. And a little bit on a small side, but it's still okay. And the deco, text deco. Nothing special, I guess. And the last item, vinyl mini replica with a display stand. Pretty dusty here for some reason. Pretty cool. And this is everything, I guess. Nothing more in the box. Alright, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on my next unboxing video. Bye.